10 Mistakes to Avoid When Investing in Gold IRA Before the Crash. When markets show signs of instability, many turn to a gold IRA as a safe haven. Gold protects wealth during crises, but missteps in setting up and managing a gold IRA can weaken its benefits. Avoiding errors is vital before a market crash strikes. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the top 10 mistakes to avoid when investing in gold IRA. 1. Picking the wrong custodian. Not all custodians are reliable. Failing to choose an IRS-approved and trusted custodian risks compliance issues and higher fees. 2. Ignoring IRS rules. Only certain coins and bullion qualify for a gold IRA. Breaking these rules can lead to penalties and disqualification. 3. Putting all savings in gold. Gold is strong, but overconcentration reduces flexibility. A mix with silver or other assets is wiser. 4. Overlooking fees, setup charges, storage costs, and dealer premiums eat into returns. Always review the fine print. 5. Weak storage choices. Approved depositories with insurance and strict audits are essential. Skimping on storage puts assets at risk. 6. Trying to time the market. Waiting for the perfect moment often backfires. Focus on long-term protection instead of short-term timing. 7. Buying collectibles. Rare or collectible coins may look appealing, but they don't qualify. Stick to approved bullion. 8. Forgetting liquidity. A gold IRA is not easily liquid. Keeping some savings accessible helps cover emergencies. 9. Believing aggressive sales pitches. High-pressure sales tactics often hide inflated premiums. Do your own research before buying. 10. Skipping retirement alignment. A gold IRA should fit into your bigger retirement plan. It works best as part of a balanced strategy. Investing in a gold IRA before the crash can safeguard wealth, but success depends on avoiding these common mistakes. By staying compliant, diversifying, and planning carefully, investors can use a gold IRA as a strong shield against financial turmoil. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.